Hi, I'm Freddie from AT Nursery and welcome to my world of color. Cape daisies, also known as Osteospermums, are proudly South African. This means these flowers are indigenous to our country. They are naturally found in the Northern and Western Cape provinces. Some exciting hybrids originate from our local Osteospermum species and are simply spectacular. Like Serenity and Sunshine Beauty varieties, they really impress me with their two-tone blooms. Tried and tested, a true winner for the South African market. Osteospermum Serenity is a bushy evergreen perennial with large daisy-like flowers. Their magic colors change as the flowers fully open, which is great for gardeners and of course encourages pollinators to visit. Sunshine Beauty is a beautiful Cape daisy that has bicolored flowers of orange and yellow with a purple center. New blooms come out in brighter, more vibrant hues that gives us 3 shades at one time. And these flower all year round except in colder climates. These plants are also drought tolerant and bees and butterflies are attracted to this plant, meaning you are creating a living environment for these lovely insects. Certainly one of the best new additions in years that enjoys full sun and grows to about 30 by 40 centimeters. New varieties are added regularly to the range and all have striking colors and flower shapes. The amazing mess of blooms is unbelievable. These plants also do well in coastal areas and most produce flowers from spring to autumn. They can tolerate full sun and little water, making them a stunning water-wise option for garden beds, rockeries and containers. The more sun they receive, the better they will flower. With so many color varieties to choose from, these are a firm favorite for any indigenous gardener. Don't forget, we've made it really easy. All the information you need to know is on the label. And remember, in good times and in bad times, flowers bring you moments of joy.